So before I get started, I want to tell you guys that little disclaimer, I'm not a medical doctor, so I'm not going to be giving medical advice, of course. I'm going to be going from experience. I've had a lot of healing in my past 4 years, and the way I've done it is by doing the morning cleanse. So I'm here to help you guys get the same results that I have. Okay, so we're going to go into talking about the morning cleanse. To start off, I do lemon water every single morning. Um, I suggest the smaller container, but I actually use the bigger container. And with the smaller container, you want to use half a lemon, and with the bigger container, you want to use a full lemon. So starting the morning off with lemon water every morning is hydrating to the body. And at this point, I feel like I wake up craving it. If I don't drink my lemon water in the morning, then I feel really dehydrated, I guess. So we start the morning with lemon water. And then we'll wait 30 minutes, and then we're going to move to our celery juice. Now, what I'm going over the three things in the morning of the lemon water, the celery juice, and then we're going to go over the heavy metal. That's basically the backbone of the morning cleanse. With the celery juice, I'm going to go back a little bit on the video. You can see if you first start the celery juice, you want to start with a very small amount, like this smaller container right here, because if you haven't had the celery juice, you could have negative reactions of going to the bathroom. And I wouldn't actually start doing a celery juice unless you are at home and you know how your body's going to handle the celery juice. But the idea is after a while, you move up to this 16 ounce. And then once you're really, really good at it, you can move to the bigger container. And I use the bigger container, but I would not suggest I would not suggest doing the bigger container until you're used to it. So you juice your celery, and this is a video in my class that shows you how to juice it. You want to strain your celery juice. And then after you drink your celery juice, you're going to wait 30 minutes before you do any other juice. So it shows you straining it right here. So after the celery juice, I have moved to doing the heavy metal detox smoothie. Now, I'll tell you that I did not start doing the heavy metal detox smoothie until about 3 months ago. I actually did a medical medium cleanse, which was 9 days. And when I was doing that, I then started to do the heavy metal detox smoothie. I wished I would have started doing this smoothie sooner because I feel like since I did that cleanse and I've brought this smoothie into my diet, I've had big changes, lots more energy. I just feel like there was definitely a shift. I wished I would have been doing the smoothie sooner, but I was afraid to do it. I don't really know why. And I've been doing the medical medium diet for 3 to 4 years, and this is part of it. And like I said, I wished I would have started it sooner. I would advise you guys to start it even if you're afraid. The reasons I didn't do it is because it does have nutritionals in it that cost a lot of money. And then it also has celery, or not celery. It has, I always want to call it parsley, but it's cilantro. So it has cilantro in it. And I was thinking that I would not like the taste of it, but I have gotten used to it. And I think that we should all be adding the heavy metal detox smoothie to our diet. So this is just a little bit of the video of showing you how to make it. So the outline was the lemon water, wait 30 minutes, celery juice, wait 30 minutes, and then have the heavy metal detox smoothie. And then I usually wait an hour after drinking the smoothie before having anything else. Now, if you do not want to do that, what I started doing before I did the heavy metal detox smoothie was I would do my lemon water and then my celery juice And then I would drink a green drink like this right here, and then a sweet drink. So basically, the idea with the morning cleanse is to not have protein until 12 o'clock. You don't want to do protein until 12 o'clock. So you can do the outline of the lemon water, celery, heavy metal detox smoothie, or you can do the lemon water and move to juices. And then if you want, you could also move to a smoothie. And I have lots of different smoothie recipes in here. Or if you did not want to do juice in the morning, you could start with your lemon water and then move to straight smoothies. Now, when I go out, I always do smoothies. I'll do my lemon water and then bring smoothies with me. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. This is where I'm gonna open it up to questions.
When you take additional supplements, do you feel like it's okay to take those with the heavy metal detox smoothie?
Um, I would wait. I mean, personally, I would wait until an hour after because I just want the power of the heavy metal detox smoothie to work. And they all kind of work together. So one does one job and the other does another job. And so, yeah, I wouldn't want to mix them together. So now I know that you do the cilantro for the heavy metal detox smoothie separate. Can you explain how you do that?
Well, cilantro is so nasty tasting to me, especially when I first started. So I just take the cilantro separately and blend it up with some orange juice or pineapple juice. The pineapple juice is so sweet, it actually tastes pretty good. Or with the orange juice. And then I drink that down pretty quickly. And then I'll have the rest of the heavy metal detox after that because the cilantro to me just is so uh, terrible tasting. But I've actually gotten more used to it now. Still don't want it in my heavy metal detox smoothie though. And I found that I was afraid of some of the other greens in the detox smoothie, but those really don't taste bad at all. They taste pretty good when they're mixed in there with the fruit.
Yeah. I tried to do the blending of the celery with the orange juice, but I think
Cilantro?
that I do,
The cilantro?
or cilantro. Yeah,
Yeah.
I keep saying that. But I feel like I used too much cilantro, so it just didn't blend very well. So I'll just throw it in there and just drink it. And I'll drink the heavy metal detox smoothie pretty quickly, though, because I know that it'll clump up. That's one that you don't want to take with you if you're going out. You want to make it, drink it really quick, and then yeah, move to the next smoothie to take with you. So I see Judy's logged on, but I don't know if she has any questions. Do you have any questions, Judy?
I do the lemon and what you say it in the morning. I started for almost 2, 3 years,
Yeah,
and it's helping me a lot. I mean, and the green juice, I do it every morning.
yeah.
Uh, but not the heavy metal like you do. I'm starting to do it like later on. But I do have the question, can I do like carrot, pineapple, and with the green juice? Is that combined? Is that you think will help
Um,
or to
like
detox?
put it all in one together.
Yes, uh-huh.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
No,
You just
that's
don't you just don't want to do all that with your celery if you end up juicing the celery. The celery has to be separate.
Yeah.
oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. But everything I've been doing since and I'm doing curcuma with for myself with pepper, um the whole thing in the morning too. I don't know if that would be too much.
I don't know. I think your body will tell you.
Oh
So,
yeah, no, definitely. Yeah.
yeah.
I do it because of my health thing.
Yeah. Well, I think pepper's really good for you. So,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, it's good.
have you started doing the heavy metal? Did you say you've tried it?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I would try it.
I I do some of what you do.
Right. Well, I just started doing the heavy metal, like I said, 3, 4 months ago, and I feel like that's cleared up my thinking and given me way more energy. Like I had a good amount of energy, but introducing that smoothie, I don't know what it is, but I feel like it's like next level. So I would
Oh,
definitely try
okay.
it.
What I'm doing is, I do pineapple, um, what's the name of it? Banana and what else do I do? Banana. And I put all those kind of powder that I need for myself. And then, I don't know, that'll help me too.
Yeah, I'm sure it will.
Mhm.
I
Well, the
feel
heavy
like,
metal smoothie also gets rid of like heavy, literally, it's heavy metals. So it pulls heavy metals out of your body and they all work together. And they say
Yeah,
if you do 3 to 5 ingredients, you don't even have to do them all, but trying to
yeah,
incorporate 3 to 5 ingredients and then it pulls the heavy metals. And like there's just heavy metals everywhere in our environment. So it's a
right,
hard thing
right,
to get out of the body. So
right. Yeah,
especially with all the fires that have been going on, because that's going to put a lot of metals into the air too.
yeah, yeah,
Putting so
that's true. That's
that's
true.
important. And I think that I've heard that the blueberries are one of the most healing foods there is, and that's one of the
Oh no, don't take me wrong. I do a smoothie once in a while, not every day, but
right.
I do it. I do it. Yeah.
yeah, that's good.
So yeah.
But thank you
Using
guys for that's watching the replay. This is one of the first times that I've Zoomed, so I was really nervous at the beginning. I need to get used to talking on camera, but you guys got to show up so I can get used to doing that. And if you have questions, put them in the comments in the comment section below. And I guess that's it.